Want six-pack abs? Let me show you 10 powerful exercises that will get your core stronger and sharper. Let's go. Number 1, crunches. Focus on squeezing your core with every rep. Number 2, leg raises. These hit your lower abs directly. Number 3, plank. Hold it tight, build stability and strength. Number 4, bicycle crunches. Twist, crunch, and burn your obliques. Number 5, mountain climbers. Cardio and abs at the same time. Number 6, Russian twists. Great for shredding your side abs. Number 7, hanging knee raises. A killer move for the lower core. Number 8, flutter kicks. Small but powerful, feel the burn. Number 9, side plank. Hold strong, tighten those obliques. And number 10, AB rollouts. The ultimate challenge for total core strength. Do these 10 moves regularly, stay consistent, and your abs will show. But remember, abs are built in the gym and revealed in the kitchen. Let's go.